Welcome back to another video brought to you by the Online Money Mentors. Hey guys, what's up? Let's talk about making money passively in your sleep, potentially while you're on vacation, the dream, right? We're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme, but a real sustainable way to build income online niche blogging. You see that laptop lifestyle everyone's chasing? It's within reach, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Imagine waking up to commission notifications, knowing that your words are working for you, even while you're sipping coffee in your pajamas. You take something you're passionate about, share your knowledge with the world, and get paid for it. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's dive in. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a niche blog? It's simpler than you think. Instead of talking about everything under the sun, you focus on one specific topic you know a lot about or are super passionate about. By focusing on a specific audience and their needs, you become the go-to expert, the trusted source for information and recommendations. This focus allows you to build a loyal following of people genuinely interested in what you have to say. Here's where things get really exciting. Let's talk about how you actually make money from your niche blog. And the secret weapon is affiliate marketing. It's like getting paid to share things you already love. Let's say you're running that fitness blog we talked about. With affiliate marketing, you can partner with brands that align with your niche and include special links to their products within your blog posts. Now, when your readers click on those links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Your readers get valuable recommendations, the brand gets a sale, and you earn passive income from your blog. Okay, you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually set up a blog? I'm glad you asked. Getting started is easier than you might think, even if you're not a tech expert. Platforms like WordPress and Wix are incredibly user-friendly, offering drag-and-drop interfaces and tons of customization options. First, you'll need to choose a domain name. Think of it as your blog's online address. Keep it catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. The most important thing is to start creating high-quality, valuable content that your audience will love. Write blog posts, create videos, share your expertise. Let your passion shine through. All right, you've got your niche, your blog is up and running, and you're churning out awesome content. Now, how do you get people to actually find your blog? That's where traffic comes in, and there are two key strategies: search engine optimization, or SEO, and social media. SEO is all about optimizing your blog posts to rank higher on search engines like Google. Use relevant keywords throughout your content, make sure your website is mobile-friendly, and build backlinks to your site from other reputable sources. Social media is another powerful tool for driving traffic. Share your blog posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever your target audience hangs out online. So, are you ready to turn your passion into a profitable online business? It's time to take action. The first step, choose your niche. What are you truly passionate about? What do you know more about than most people? Once you've found your niche, it's time to sign up for affiliate programs that align with your audience's needs and interests. Finally, launch your blog. Don't let perfection be the enemy of progress. Start creating, start sharing, and start building your online empire. Guys, starting a niche blog isn't just about making money online, it's about taking control of your financial future. It's about building something you're proud of, sharing your knowledge with the world, and creating a life on your own terms. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and watch your income grow month after month. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. There's no better time than now. Take that first step, and I'll see you at the top. Visit onlinemoneymentors.com for more tips on how to make money online.